Hi, my name is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today's video is on a fun fold gift card holder using a piece of cardstock and a piece of DSP. And today I use the Round We Go bundle, which include these stamps and these coordinating dies that also make a lovely rosette. So let's get started. First, you're going to start with a piece of cardstock, basic white, 4 1/4 by 11 scored diagonally, and then a piece of DSP that is 3 3/4 by 10 3/4. And I already made the rosette and the decoration. So this is already scored, as you see there. So you're going to go ahead and fold along the score. I'm going to use my bone folder to make it a nice crisp fold. And then the fun part of it is you're just folding in half, matching the edges right there. You could score this, but it's just easier this way. And that's it. That's your card with a pocket. Technically a pocket on the front and the back, but I only use this one, and you have plenty of room to write something inside your card. And then for this piece of DSP, you do the same thing except you cut first. So let me bring in my trimmer. And just remember, you have to cut in the same direction that you folded here, if that makes sense. So you want to go from here to here, the same as direction as that. So you're going to line this up, the corner here and the corner here. And just a nice tip is you could always start in the middle and go out and down so you don't squish the corner. And that's how you do it here. And then the same thing, you just want to fold it in half, line it all up, and then again line up the edges. And that's where you're going to cut. So you're marking that, and then you can use your scissors and just cut across here. I'm going to go ahead and use the trimmer since I have it out. And that is it. So now you can choose which side you want to show on your card. So you can either do it this way, like that, with the opposites here. I think I'm going to do it that way, like that. So let's get the Stampin'. See, I put a T in the top just to remind me. I'm going to do my corners as usual because I don't like the corners coming up. And you can unfold and center it if you'd like. Either way. And do the same here. Fold that. And then this will easily fit here. And this on the front. That's all the cutting. And let me fold that over a little bit. And then adhering. And I went ahead and made a rosette. And basically cut 2 of the rosettes of these. I did it on another video. I'll link in the description. 2 of these, and you fold it accordion fold. Adhere them together, and then you push them together and adhere them with 2 dots that you have there. I went ahead and die cut this to match. So I'm going to go ahead and get some glue for that. Actually, I think I did. I already put a dimensional. So take that off. Dimensional there. And I'll do one dimension on the back here. I'll save it blank for now until I decide how I'd like to give this sentiment. And then one more dimensional I'm going to put here on the underneath, right here, to hold this part down on the flap. And there you go. So 2 of these lovely fun full diagonal cards using the Round We Go bundle. Thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like video tutorials like this, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe, and you'll get to see even more fun folds, different kinds of cards, and maybe some 3D projects. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day.